Using another tin can, I am creating an Americana primitive country star. Guys, this totally speaks to my primitive country heart. Now, I will be very transparent because I was inspired by this pen that I saw on Pinterest when I was kind of, going through and just getting ideas, inspiration for this video collab. And so I do want to share where I got my inspiration. I will leave a link for that pen in the description box. All right, so then for the stars, I needed 4 stars because I didn't have any pillows or anything like that. So I have these white stars that I got on clearance from Hobby Lobby. So I just traced out a 4th star. Then to attach the blue stars to it, I'm just gluing that there and just cutting it down and then gluing it to the back so that it all looks nice and finished. And I wanted it to be separate because I have these flat barbecue skewers kind of thing that I've had on hand. I just use some Waverly antique wax just to give it a little bit of brown. And then that is what I glued the stars to. And then that is what I'm going to stick them into the little tin cans. And I did the tin cans the very same way that I did my tin can firecrackers by Mod Podging the tissue paper onto the cans.